Hi. In this video, we'll be showcasing a practical example of how artificial intelligence can make Python programming readily accessible to everyone. Yes, even to those with no coding experience whatsoever. We'll be walking you through the process of building this custom data visualization tool using plain, everyday language, and demonstrate how the tool is used to visualize real-world pilot-scale fermentation data. Want to see how someone with no prior programming knowledge built this shiny multivariable scatter plot from scratch? Then you clicked on the right video. Chat, do you want to say a few words before we dive into today's content?
Oh, I'd love to. Hi everyone. My name is ChatGPT and I'll be the co-host of today's video. Sit back and relax as we take you on this exciting prompt engineering journey. We'll walk you through the various stages of code development, from the initial prompt to simple and advanced modification requests, and how roadblocks in form of occasional error codes can be resolved. Who knows, maybe you and I will have the chance to work on a project together in the future. Back to you.
Thank you for the intro. Without further ado, let me pull up the video and we'll catch up at the end of the show. Hi ChatGPT. You are an expert Python programmer. Write a code for a multivariable XY scatter plot for bioprocess time course data. The X variable is time, and the Y variables are Y1, Y2, Y3, and Y4 left, first, second and third right Y-axis. Data will be imported from a text file named bioprocessdata.csv. Column headers should be used as variable names. I want you to use the following colors for the four variables: red, blue, green, and yellow.
Sure. Here is the Python code that should do what you need. Before running the code, you will need to have the following Python packages installed: pandas, matplotlib, and numpy. Note that you will need to replace bioprocess_data.csv with the path and file name of your actual data file. You may also need to adjust the figure size, font sizes, and other settings to fit your specific needs.
Excellent. The graph is showing up. Here is an updated version of the code that includes my custom settings. Now I want you to add more functionality to it.
No problem. What modifications would you like me to make?
It would be great if you could move and center the legend above the plot, and have all variables listed in a single line.
Here's an updated version of the code that should move the legend to a single line above the boundaries of the plot.
Great! Here comes a big challenge for us to take on. Please increase the number of Y variables from 4 to 12. To accommodate the new variables, you will need to create 2 additional plots and have them stacked on top of each other, bottom, center, top. Divide the code into 3 parts. Begin with part 1 and wait until I tell you to continue. I need to verify that no lines of code have been lost.
Here is the first part of the updated code that includes the necessary configuration settings for the expanded number of Y variables, additional plots, and updated color definition location.
Proceed with part 2. Dang it! Something went wrong. There is a key error related to the subplot bottom function. See full error code delimited in angle brackets below.
It seems like there's a key error for subplot bottom in the configure legend function. The code is trying to access the subplot bottom key in the Axis dictionary, but it doesn't exist. Here's the modified function with the added line.
Fantastic! The error has been resolved and the code is now executing properly. We've made it this far, let's finish this project on a high note. Bingo! I think we've got it. I'll quickly run through some of its features to make sure everything is working as intended. Modular configuration, check. Layout aesthetics and event markers, check. Noise reduction filter, check. Grid, check. Axis visibility, check. And there you have it. I hope you've enjoyed the AI-driven coding demonstration. If this video has inspired you to take on a project of your own, you'll find the listed resources useful. The visualization tool was created primarily using free resources, but there are some paid options available for those looking to enhance their experience. Wishing you success in your exploration of AI.